Hailed by Textron as the original trailblazer, this unit is renowned for its dependable functionality and adaptability, ensuring a successful mission before it even starts. Run by the 675 horsepower Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A 114A turboprop engine, this bushplane can cruise up to maximum speeds of 186 knots or 344 kilometers per hour, and it boasts a range of 1,070 nautical miles or 1,982 kilometers. It can accommodate a maximum takeoff weight of 8,000 pounds on 3,305 pounds of usable load, plus a maximum 14-passenger capacity with customizable seat options. Brand new and fully decked out, this plane now costs around $3 million.